Good morning, children. Welcome to the another class of English literature, chapter 3, Safe Again, and it is written by Alan Brown, part 2. Chapter 3, Safe Again, part 2. Children, in previous video, we learnt that this story is narrated by a baby windower who was born in a nest in a hole high up in a school wall. Its early memory was of the blue sky and the wind, the presence of its brother and sister in the nest, and of its parents feeding them with mice. Their activity attracted the attention of the school children. One day, one of the boys reached where, children? Yes, into the nest. And what did he take? He took the windower to be his pet in a bird cage. But he did not know what, children? That how to take care of the baby bird. And what did happen as a result? As a result, the bird became weak and thin. In part 1, we learned all these things. Now what happens? Let's see in part 2. Chapter 3, Safe Again, part 2. Then what happens, children? The boy covers my head and ties my feet, and I am carried. Suddenly, I hear a girl. I have heard that voice before. She is the girl who visits us every day and brings us food sometimes. You stole our windower. Who told? Yes, cries the girl. He is mine. Who told this sentence? Yes, shouts the boy. A wild bird can't be yours. You must put him back or he will die. Who says? Says the girl. But I don't want him to die. The boy's voice becomes soft and kind. Whose voice, children? The boy's voice becomes soft and kind. Put him back. I promise not to tell anybody. Who says? Says the girl. Soon I am home. I say Kiki to my brother and sister. Soon my mother remembers her first chick, and I know I am safe. Children, this chapter 3, Safe Again part 2. Watch this video and try to understand this chapter. Thank you.